What's going on, guys? I am running down here. I'm so excited. My brother told me that he found some parts in a shed in the field for my 1970 Mach 1 Mustang. No flipping joke. We're just out here in the field and bam, there's a shed down here. Holy moly. Let's see what's inside. So here's the deal, guys. We used to have a farm here, but it's long overgrown. We had cattle, pigs, chickens, goats, you name it. But that's, once my grandpa passed away, that's been 15, 20 years ago. We didn't really do anything with the farm anymore. So this shed is abandoned, I guess so to say. It's been locked up, grown up. We've been clearing some stuff off of it, but my brother was working out here clearing some things. You guys know that I'm in the process of restoring 1970 Mustang Mach 1, and he said, listen, bro, you're not gonna believe it. I found some parts for your Mustang in this shed. I don't know what else could possibly be in here. You've got to come check this out. So I don't know what I'm gonna find in here. He didn't tell me specifics, so I don't really know. Let me know if anything catches your eye as we pan across. I see lots of parts, engine parts back here. Maybe whole engines. Okay. Powered by Ford. I love to see that. Some wheels. Is that tires for a four-wheeler maybe? Anyways, let's start digging in. Anybody need a boat motor cover? Man, every time I move, I keep thinking that I hear a snake or something, you know, like when you're going through old sheds. I mean, you know, you guys went through old sheds before, right? A bunch of nails. Nails. So far, nothing exciting. I think I want to get up higher. That looks like that might be where the good stuff is. Here is... This looks like a door panel, maybe for like an F-150 or a Bronco, maybe. I remember them having red interior. So cut out for a speaker, manual window. Okay. Let's see. A shoebox. Always got to check the shoe boxes. No way. No flipping way. Hold up. Okay. I honestly don't know exactly what it is, but I saw, once I opened it, this American Racing. Okay. Oh, baby. Okay, hold on. What is this? Okay. Let's see. Woo! Okay, some of them are still sealed up here. American Racing. This, wait, do these go on my car, on the Mustang? Oh, this one, these are metal. These are heavy. Hold up a second. Do these fit my car? Hold on. All right, I won't lie. I got out of breath, so I cut the camera. That was pretty embarrassing, even though I just admitted to it, so. Let's take a look. So, oh geez, look at the spiders. Hold on. Okay, we'll take care of that. Oh boy, and what do you know, that would pop right off. So again, if you're new to the channel, I'm in the process of restoring this 1970 Mustang Mach 1. These are the ones, the center caps that are on it. And bada boom. Now those still look, it looks faded though. But it's wrapped in plastic. I wonder if I could put this style. I wonder if they fit the same. Man, this could just be the tip of the iceberg. This has duct tape on it though. It looks new. Let me just kind of dry fit it here. I think yeah, it would fit. It would fit. Oh, that looks dope. Oh, that looks, I think that's what that's supposed to look like. That looks so much cooler. Oh yeah. Oh yes, and there's a whole shoebox down there of different styles. Heck yeah. All right, well, you know what I say? Come here, not that. I say we keep digging. Dang though, there's even, what can you guys see up there? Because legitimately, I can't see up there right now. Here, let me even extend you some more. Anything good? Well, hopefully we'll find out here in a moment. Either way, I say that was a win, which I wonder if there might be a gas tank in here for the Mustang, because I feel like I recall my dad mentioning having a gas tank for that thing. I wonder, I don't know. I'm just now looking at it, so I really, let's throw it out there. Okay. Here's another, what? What? There's a couple down here. Oh, okay. So for a 400 2-valve Motorcraft, still nice and blue. Still got the air filter in there. And there are a couple of them back in here. Okay. Man, I'm so scared to touch this stuff. What are you? 351. Wait a minute. This wouldn't go to my car, would it? There's only one way to find out. I mean, it actually, is this like the blinkers? You guys were telling me that it had, this might be it. Okay, here we go, here we go. Okay, so the hood is bent. Keep that in mind. Holy moly, I think that's it. 351. I think that's it. Heck yeah. This shed is the gift that keeps on giving. I'm going back. It's a nice Ford blue fan. Jeez, this thing is huge. Does this go on? This is for the back of a truck or a Bronco, I guess. There would be like the keyhole for it. Okay. These little guys here, I wonder if that's actually, okay. It might all be empty. Or there could be a snake hiding in here. Okay. Looks like it's all been emptied out. So nothing too exciting in that. I think that there's maybe a toolbox under here. Like to put in a vehicle, that looks like. Okay, let's, I want to take a look at some of those and see if there's anything exciting up there. Wait, wait a minute. Is this another one? No way. Is this literally another hood scoop? We're gonna have to take it up there. Hold on. I think I see a Mustang symbol up there. Hold up. It's definitely Mustang. Oh, it doesn't look like it's in good shape, guys. Dang. That's what that is. The other missing door panel. Oh, wait a minute, is this a different one? Actually, maybe this is it. I don't know, let's take them out and let's take a closer look. So, No, they're the same. This one just doesn't have the carpet on it like this one has. But there's like the wood grain, the Mustang emblem. This one has these little things in the door. That one doesn't. Okay, so this one is okay. It's cracked a little bit right there. Still got the hookup and everything for the lights. Oh baby, okay. Well, I'm definitely taking it up there. We might as well take this one because it's still got the wood grain, the Mustang emblem and everything. To see if there's anything interesting. This looks like a boat seat here. Again, nothing else too crazy up there. Tons of just boxes. Oh gosh, this is really scary. Okay, looks like just some kind of used parts. That's all just used stuff. Okay, check the Mopar box. That's got wires hooked to it. Okay, is this like an instrument panel? Oh boy, easy, easy. Okay. Oh, that's old. Okay. This isn't what it looks like in the Mustang, is it? Is it? No, surely not. Okay, we're gonna have to check just in case. All right, that's going in the take up to the shop just in case pile. Ooh, there is something else down in here. This would be a perfect spot for a rat to be laying and waiting. What? So hold up. I already had one of the clocks that was new in the back seat, but this one says Grande. So this is for something a little different, right? A different Mustang. What? What? Okay. This is going to the take to the shop. So I guess maybe my dad had got parts from another Mustang possibly, or multiple Mustangs, and then maybe he was planning on using them to try to replace some stuff in the Mach 1 at some point in time. I don't know. But man, there still could just be anything in here. This area over here is pretty full. Again, just of big things. Parts and various pieces for engines and stuff. So in the end, a pretty good haul, I would say. We did finish up going through the shed, and there really wasn't anything else that exciting. I didn't find anything else for the Mustang, so we got lucky and found the majority of it mostly on top. There was two things actually that we found that I want to show you guys before we look at the Mustang. We're gonna jog out here. We found some Motorcraft boxes, and it actually is Motorcraft toolboxes, kinda. Let's see if we can get you a shot to show you. So that's gonna be cool. We were thinking we could set these up in the shop. And there's one, it was from the service center. My shadow out of the way. 2 Ford. So I thought that was pretty cool. So we'll put those up at some point. Those are new in the box. Before the Mustang, we ended up finding the clock, which again, it does say Grande on here, but it looks the same. And as many of you know, I already have another one of these that says Mach 1. And then there's the one in here. Let's see if we can show it a little bit better. That's almost too bright. Come on, work with us. There you go. This says Mach 1. This one's kind of beat up and ragged. So we're gonna have 3 of these things total. Then we also found the hood scoop, plus a second hood scoop. And this instrument panel actually does match up. So alternator, speedometer, fuel and temp, oil pressure. That's actually the same as what's in here. So I don't know if that, again, that might not have came out of a Mach 1. Maybe it came out of that Grande. But it's the same instrument panel that's in here. So that's pretty awesome. And I've got a door panel on the passenger side, nothing on the driver's side. But again, we found this one, plus the one right here that's really not in too bad a shape. So again, overall, I'm pretty happy with that. really in there was just a bunch of motors that had been broken down into little individual pieces and parts for motors and stuff. Nothing related to the Mustang, so I didn't want to bore you too much. But how crazy is that? Just basically abandoned shed from our farm from 20, 30 years ago, put out in the middle of a field, and we had parts for the Mach 1 sitting out there, just chilling out there this whole time. So that's gonna be pretty cool. I don't know how much of this we'll end up using, but it was still cool to take a look and see what we might find. So that's gonna be it for this episode, guys. I don't know, we're gonna call this Mustang treasure hunting episode. I don't know what we're gonna call it, but thank you guys for all the love you've been showing me on the channel. I realized the Mustang videos slowed down a little bit, but I wanna ramp them back up. Basically, I want to post a video, if I haven't already. I'm working on trying to get the 351 Cleveland started and at least idling for a few minutes for a video first, kind of a first start. And then the plan is to actually start stripping everything down. I wanted to do that first before I start pulling different things out and cutting things and whatnot. So, hey, thank you guys so much. The work on the Mustang will continue, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys. But wait, let us not forget about the golden shoebox of goodies from American Racing. There ended up being 24 of these American Racing caps in total. So again, that was pretty awesome. So officially now the video is over. Like, no, seriously, it's over. Like you can close it. You can turn off the video now. It's getting kind of weird. I'm just gonna get back to work on the car. So